Welcome back to another video, boys and girls. Today we're just doing some little things. I don't have a lot of time at work today and my hatch don't want to open. With all that being said, we're just gonna paint a valve cover, possibly, maybe two. I really don't know how much I'm gonna get done. Came over a little late compared to what I should have came over, but it's okay because I'm here now. We knock out a little bit of work. Thursday, my time, it'll probably be the day we pull the motor out of the Stealth. Reason that being is because I would like somebody else to be there in case something happens. Just also an extra set of hands really does help out so much. In here, we got the valve cover painted. Look at that sparkle. What's up, boys? I just got some things for the S13 that we are gonna do. It's just some light shit. I got work at 1 today. It's already fucking 10 o'clock. So let's get to work. Okay, so I got quite the bit of interior parts. Some of these I've had and just haven't had time to put in the cart. And one of these, being this one, I just recently got. I finally, hopefully, can have heat and AC in the car. Because right now it's just a hole in my fucking, like, little center console dashboard area. It's just a hole. So yeah, hopefully this can fix that, and it's nothing like with the heater core or anything like that. I'm hoping this is just a simple grabbing the unit and running it. But all these parts, we're gonna try to install some of them. Just trying to clean it up a little bit, you know, make things a little nicer. Alrighty, so to install the interior, it's actually mad motherfucking easy. So basically we got these two wires right here for the control unit, which will plug into right here and right there. And I got a whole bunch of shit here. But this just clips into here, down into there, and then right into here. So this just kind of pops off. I didn't even need to take my shifter off. It's kind of popped up. I got my radio grounded up there too. Well, let's plug this in. Alright, this. Aaron just came outside. Okay, by no means, this is not perfect, but with testing with the car, it does work just fine. So now we officially have heat in the car. I will say, these two, well, basically all of the top vents do not work. The only ones that work are the ones for the windshield and the feet. I'm assuming it's something to do with the bun door or something behind the dash. I don't really care. I got heat in the car. I won't be freezing as bad on the way to school anymore, which will be, oh, that's nice.